3.
Hello everybody! Today is gonna be a review, opening and a review of one model what I won just now on auction. And when I've been checking the model, I'm not checked that this is resin or die cast. So today I get that one model from TSM, but unfortunately this model, like I'm suspecting it's a resin model, and there is nothing opening. So today we will gonna make a full review of this model. So let's get open it. Here is box came. Now I'm going to get a knife to open it. Here it is. Packaging, I can say, sealer properly packed. I'm quite like how he packed. Model it was being quite expensive, so he've done a proper job to send this model as properly as possible. Yeah, this I will gonna leave it in here, and here it is. Oh, it's a quite large model, I can tell. Here it is. This model. And plus today is gonna be some special video. You will gonna see. Some people will gonna be angry about this, but I will gonna do this for video purposes and to check how these TSM models, resin models, was been built and what is inside. So here it is, Porsche 935 K4 Interscope Racing 00. That's miniature resin model. You can see I've been thinking it's die cast. TSM is one of my favorite brands. Mainly if I'm buying this models in die cast, but now I'm not checked. I just like this model, but I'm not checked that this is the resin model. So on this model I'm suspecting that it's nothing opening, it's just a basic shell with preview. So let's open it and have a look how this model is presented, how it feels. And how it looking. So, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, everybody's probably ready. Dum, dum, dum. Here it is. That's the model. In kit is presented like this spoiler. Yeah, I'm gonna take out of the bag. This how it's coming from manufacturer. This separate from the model, and even on this on a preview presented that this supposed to be assembled. The rear spoiler, this is originally from manufacturer. The rear spoiler for this model car was not fixed on the model, so you need to assemble it yourself to this model. But I will not gonna assemble, I will not gonna use any glue. I will just gonna put like that. Yep, it is like that. What I can tell, this model from first look looking absolutely amazing. It's this kind of models what I would like to present on my shelf, but unfortunately that's the resin. I will gonna unscrew from the bottom, if I will gonna manage to unscrew from the bottom, because what is this? Oh, right. Okay, okay, I get it. I'm not get it why. So that's on a stand like that. And this supposed to be presented like this with a stand. But I will gonna remove from stand, and today is gonna be, because I don't see engine preview and I don't see that back is opening on this model. So I have here screwdriver. I will gonna remove from stand. Yeah. And we will gonna go around this model. But what I can tell, paint job is absolutely immaculate. But this is not my kind of cup of tea. I've been expecting that at least something will gonna open, but here is nothing opens. I tried to find online, I found couple of videos, these people not been presenting how these models are opening. And I decided to purchase it and chance it. But unfortunately, I'm not get at this what I've been expecting. Yep, here it is. This we're gonna leave it here for now, because I think I will gonna need to put it back. And I can tell straight away. Look at this. That's the resin model. Yeah. Look how badly painted and how badly presented bottom of the car model. Not like TSM. You see? That looks like a hand painted and looks like it was been, I don't know. They definitely done at this model to be presented behind the glass on a shelf without touching it. So what I will gonna do for you especially today, I will gonna unscrew these bolts and I will gonna try to remove whole shell, and we will gonna see what is underneath. I've been always wondering how these models, resin models, was being presented. This is my first model, resin model. And probably in the future I will never gonna buy any more resin models, because this is a big disappointment and very big minus to this amazing brand. Because with this model they probably damaging their reputation of building proper car models. Yeah, this shell is pulling up. I don't know what they've done it with this. I will gonna put here. Okay, I will gonna try to unscrew this too. And I think hold this top shell, hold this top supposed to remove it's only 4 screws. What is holding whole construction, not like other TSM models what I've got in my stock. So this should, my god. Guys, don't be much angry on me, yeah. But look what you're getting when you buying resin models. For this price, what you overpaying for that. It's a beautiful shell, beautiful shell. Overpriced beautiful shell. I can tell that's, you can't imagine how big disappointment. And this is the limited edition version.
For £300.
I've been thinking I take it cheap, this model, yeah, but for this money I prefer to buy some auto art models. And in my life I will not gonna buy anymore any resin models, because I'm really apologize, but this is bullshit, honestly. TSM, please, you can do better, honestly. Even this is made out of some kind of plastic underneath. TSM models don't have any limited edition version plugs. What is the number of this model? Look how made this. Wheels are on just a standard chassis.
So it's 3D printed?
No, it looks like 3D printed. No, it's not 3D printed. 3D printed is plastic, and this is some kind of, I don't know, hard plastic what will gonna break easily. Look underneath. Engine cover is, come on, that's, honestly, that's one of the worst models what I get it in my collection. And honestly, the video, what you think about this model, you can put any comments you like. Honestly, you can feel my disappointment through this video about this model. So for now I'm really not happy, and just see you in the next videos. Have a good day and bye bye.